Welcome to Maths and Engineering by IITian channel. In this lecture for CAT, GRE, GMAT, SAT, quantitative aptitude in number system, I take up an example, a good example, which can give you insights and concepts about the exponents, so that let us try to understand the exponents, power functions, and try to get the answer what is asked for in the question. It is given that a to the power of b is equal to 17 to the power of 100 into 19 to the power of 225. Then what is the value of a plus b? Even though it looks a little bit complicated at the face value, it's an easy example. Please try to understand the concept. Once you get the concept of the power functions, then you will be able to easily understand this particular problem and easily do it in few seconds. Let us try to solve it. What is given in the question? Question is, it is given that a to the power of b is equal to 17 to the power of 100 into 19 to the power of 225. Now, let us try to understand the concept. The base value is 17 and 19 to the power of something is the base value, which can have a common power, that is as b. Now, let us find out the common power. From a to the power of b is equal to 17 to the power of 100 into 19 to the power of 25. What we have to find out is find a plus b. This is a very good example. A little small twist is here, that's all. A simple example, we can do it. If you know the concept, you can do it in seconds. Now, let us attack the right hand side. What is right hand side? It is given as 17 to the power of 100 into 19 to the power of 225. This can we write it as 17 to the power of 4 into 25. 100 is nothing but 4 into 25 into, we are only calculating the factors of powers only. 19 to the power of 225 is 9 into 25. Do you agree? Then, how it can be written? This can be written as right hand side is equal to 17 to the power of 4 into 19 to the power of 9 whole to the power of 25. Why? From the exponents property, a to the power of b into c is equal to a to the power of b to the power of c. Now, from this, we can say that 17 to the power of 4 into 19 to the power of 9 into 9 to the power of 25 is equal to a to the power of b. Now compare the powers. B is equal to 25 and base is a is equal to base is equal to 17 to the power of 4 into 19 to the power of 9. Now the answer in seconds what we have got is a is equal to 17 to the power of 4 into 19 to the power of 9. This is the answer for A. And what is B? B is equal to 25. Now, from these two, what is the answer? A plus B is equal to 17 to the power of 4 into 19 to the power of 9 plus 25. Either we can get the values to the power of 9 is nothing but 19 cube to the power of cube. This is nothing but you can expand it, or you can keep as it is. 17 square whole square into 19 cube whole cube plus 25. The final answer is 26951 199 206 199 884. If it is asked in full form, you can write this. Otherwise, for all practical purposes, the answer is 17 to the power of 9 into 19 to the power of 9 plus 25. This is the simplest, easiest way to solve this type of problems. This type of problems do occur in the quantitative aptitude examination. If you follow this trick, you can solve this problem in seconds. With this, I want to conclude this lecture, and if you feel there is a value addition because of this lecture to you, kindly share this lecture and subscribe to my channel Maths and Engineering by IITian. Best of luck to everybody. Thank you for seeing my lecture. Thank you for viewing my lecture. Thank you. Best of luck.